In this video, I'll show you how to download your Binance transaction history as a CSV or PDF file. First, open Binance on your computer or mobile browser and log into your account. You can also use the Binance app, but for downloading files like CSV or PDF, the website is usually easier to use. Once you are logged in, go to your Wallet section. On the Binance website, move your cursor to Wallet. Then select Transaction History or Transaction Records. This is where Binance shows your deposits, withdrawals, transfers, conversions, trades, and other account activity. Now choose the type of history you want to download. For example, you may want your deposit history, withdrawal history, spot trading history, convert history, or complete account transaction records. Select the category that matches what you need. Next, choose the date range. Binance may allow you to select a custom period, such as the last 30 days, last 90 days, or a specific start and end date. If you need the file for tax reporting, accounting, or personal records, make sure you choose the correct dates before exporting. After selecting the date range, look for a button such as Export, Generate Statement, Download, or Export Transaction Records. Click it and choose the available file format. Binance commonly offers CSV for spreadsheets, which can be opened in Excel, Google Sheets, or accounting software. If you need a PDF version, look for an account statement or transaction statement option. In some regions, Binance may let you generate a PDF directly. If PDF is not available, download the CSV first, open it in Excel or Google Sheets, then use Print or Save as PDF to create a PDF copy. After requesting the export, Binance may take a few moments to generate the file. For larger date ranges, you may need to wait until the report is ready. Once it appears, click Download and save the file to your device. Before using the file, open it and check that the dates, transaction types, amounts, and currency details are correct. And that's how you download your Binance transaction history as a CSV or PDF file. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.